When we look at the landfills in the United States, we're about 15 years in terms of capacity, and food waste is the most significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions.
It's hard to believe, but nearly 40% of all food produced in America goes unsold or uneaten. We want to make sure at Kroger that all food achieves its highest purpose, which is to feed people. And so if that food is not going to feed people, then we want to make sure it's being recycled or upcycled to go and feed animals, become compost, so that way no food is going to the landfill.
This bin here is really the backstop of that, the foundation, making sure that no food is going into our landfills. So each store will have one of these bins. They'll fill it up as they're pulling product from the shelf, and we process, depackage that, and turn it into renewable energy that is powering our communities. And then it creates a nutrient-dense fertilizer that we can also spread on the fields for future crop production.
Diverted is just one of the many relationships Kroger has within the food waste recycling industry. Over 2,500 Kroger stores currently have waste recycling programs in place.
So each store puts a store-specific RFID label on the bin. So we know all of the bins that come back from each store, and we can then gather information from the unsold food that they're sending us. Weight, types of products, departments, and then we can relay that information back to help them ensure that stores are following best practices. At the end of the day, they can make sure that they're capturing as much value for that food, and then making sure we're feeding as many people as possible. When we look at Zero Hunger, Zero Waste, it's one of the most innovative initiatives out there. We see that Kroger is really making an impact on the community. It's really important for us to actually make this a reality.
We're changing the food waste narrative. We're fighting climate change. We're building a path for a more food-secure future for all of our communities. And we're well on our way to the hunger and waste-free future we all deserve.